Cut the straps holding the Ovention Matchbox oven box to the pallet. Carefully cut the tape on the top and sides of the box, using caution to not cut too deeply. Open box flaps and fold back to expose top packaging tray. Remove grill racks and crumb trays from the top packaging tray and set aside for installation later. Lift out top packaging tray. Remove outer box. Take off both foam end caps. The oven is now ready to be removed from the pallet. Do not lift the oven by the outer platforms. Only lift the oven from the front and back bottom surface. The oven weighs approximately 250 pounds. Use the proper number of people to lift it from the pallet and place the oven on a surface that is sufficient to support its weight. Unwrap the grill racks and place them on the oven slider. Gently push the slider to one side to expose the second cook surface and install the second grill rack. Caution: make sure the oven is off and cool when installing. Unwrap the crumb trays and remove the plastic coating on each tray. Install the crumb trays by sliding them under the wings into the C slot. The other end of the crumb tray hooks onto the wing support. Remove plastic touchscreen protectors from the displays. Plug the oven into a 208 or 240 volt 50 amp single phase circuit. Once the oven is plugged in, the red disconnect switch should be turned on. Turn on the door standby switch. The oven screens will illuminate with one side showing the Matchbox logo screen and the other side showing the warm-up temperatures. If your oven was shipped with a USB thumb drive, after removing the USB cover, insert the USB thumb drive into the USB port on the side of the door. Next, press the top left corner on the logo screen and a password prompt will appear. Type in the oven password. The default password is 12345 and press enter. Next, press the USB symbol and then press the Load Config File button. The oven will start loading the cook menus on the USB stick. Once it is complete, the screen will reset and the Matchbox logo will reappear. Do not remove the USB stick during this process. After the logo screen appears, it is safe to remove the USB thumb drive and replace the USB cover. The oven is now ready for operation. Press the desired set point temperature on the touchscreen. The oven will start the warm-up process. Note, the slider may move to the default side when the temperature button is pressed. The oven will warm up and show the temperature status. The warm-up time is about 9 to 14 minutes depending on the set point temperature selected. Once the oven reaches the set point temperature, the oven will display a stabilization screen for 5 minutes. This allows the oven to properly heat up for cooking. When the stabilization period is complete, the cook menus will be displayed on both screens. The oven is now ready to cook. Thank you for purchasing a Matchbox oven by Ovention.